Good day, everyone. Today we are going to present a simple yet practical program written in C++. It's a cinema seat reservation system that allows users to view, reserve, and cancel seats.
That's right. This program uses 5 by 5 grid of seats, which each seat is labeled using rows 1 to 5 and columns 1 to 5. Initially, all seats are marked as available using the letter O.
Let's start by explaining the structure. We use a two-day array of characters to represent the seats. We also define the constant for the number of rows and columns. Here the declarations. Constant in row equals 5. Constant in calls 5. Char seat rows calls.
Then, we have the initialize seats function. This sets every seat to 0, meaning it's available.
Exactly. After that, the display seat functions help us to print the seating chart. It includes row labels 1 to 5 and columns number 1 to 5.
Let's say we want to reserve a seat 23 and we type 23 and the system check if it's valid and available. If it is, it changed to X. That means it isn't reserved.
And if a user want to cancel their reservation, they can enter the seat code again like 323 and the system will turn it back on 0 or O.
To make it user friendly, we also added a simple menu that user can display the seat, reserve a seat, and cancel a reservation. They can also exit the program.
For here's a quick example. Let's choose 2 and for reserve seats and let's pick 3 4 and the seats reserved successful.
Then choose option 1 and you'll see 2 I mean 3 4 mark as X. If you change your mind and select option 3, enter 3 4 again and the seat become available.
This project help us practice arrays, loops, input validations, and conditional in C++.
And it's a great foundation for bigger systems like online bookings or movie theaters.
Thank you for
Thank
listening.
you for listening.